In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can enable dark mode on your Chromebook device. And I think enabling dark mode in Chromebook is actually pretty easy, and the changes will actually be reflected on the Google Chrome browser itself. And there are some websites and apps that will also respect the changes that you made on the operating system, and they will also change the appearance from the light mode to the dark mode as well. So here's how you can enable dark mode on your Chromebook device. But first, make sure that you're running the latest version of the Chrome OS. Now go to the desktop wallpaper, and then you want to right click and click set wallpaper and style. Well, it's a bit laggy here because I'm using a streaming to mirror the display from my Chromebook to my computer for recording. But anyway, here's where you can change the setting from the light mode to the dark mode. Now you just need to select the dark option, and instantly the system will change its appearance, and depending on the background that you're using. In this case, I'm using a radiant background, and you can tell that the background is also now different. The previous background in the light mode was showing this scenery, but it was during the day and the moon wasn't shining like this, which is pretty cool. Now that was the setting, but there is also the auto setting, where basically it will adapt the light mode and the dark mode based on the time of the day. So if you are using the Chromebook during the day, then it's going to be using the light mode, but when it is night, when it is dark, it's going to be using the dark mode. I think that is the best setting for a lot of people, because I think there is definitely a place for light mode, and I think it's just much better to use light mode during the day. But anyway, let's use the dark mode, and you can actually test. You can try to run some apps, you can open the browser. You can see that now everything looks darker. If I open Google Chrome, you can also tell that the interface right now, the interface is not following the setting because I'm using a custom setting, but you can obviously change the setting to follow the device theme. So if you select the device theme on Google Chrome, it will follow whether your Chrome will be dark mode or light mode. But right now I'm going to be using just light mode, just to give you an example. So yeah, that's a very useful. I think this is a great setting to have at night, and it's going to be a lot easier in the eyes, especially when reading. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can enable dark mode on your Chromebook device. I hope you found this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.